Used to keep it cool, used to be a fool, all about the bouncing master.
Ito na po na magputol na yun sa kuwan. Yung video na po na kayo putol niya sa kuwan.
Tanang proseso man.
Bago po mo siya ba? Bang harvest ba?
Ay, may fresh pa kayo din eh. Hello guys, good evening. For this video guys, ang gagawin po natin is gagawa po tayo ng rejuvenating drink. Rejuvenating drink made of carrots and calamansi. Po nating uminom ng mag-rejuvenate ng ating tiyan para po maging malinis, para po maging healthy po tayo. Hindi po tayo makasakit sa bituka. So, kailangan po natin linisin ang ating bitok-bitok sa ating mga bituka. Ito po yung rejuvenating drink. Ayan. So, mababasa nyo dyan. Rejuvenating drink, calamansi, and carrot. Ito po yung finished product. Wow. Ang sarap tingnan. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang healthy-healthy ni. Rejuvenating drink. Rejuvenating drink. Pati sa pag-ino sa drinks, may rejuvenating. Ayan po siya. 1 kilo of carrots. Yan po siya kadami ang finished product. Ito po ang tinatawag na rejuvenating drink. Carrots with calamansi. Ito po yung rejuvenating drink. Ayan. So, mababasa nyo dyan. Rejuvenating drink, calamansi, and carrot. Ang ingredients po niya is carrot and calamansi. So, direction. Brush carrot under running water. Wash calamansi. Cut carrot stalk and slice carrot according to juicer entrance. Squeeze calamansi to juice. So, yan po ang ginagawa natin kanina. Hinugasan po natin yung carrots at saka yung calamansi. Tapos, kinat yung carrots according to the juicer entrance. Tapos, pagka na-juice na yung, kapag na-juice na yung, yung carrots, nag-squeeze po tayo ng calamansi doon sa carrots juice. So, ang health benefits po sa calamansi, it helps cure dry cough and colds. Rejuvenates skin from within. So, vitamin C helps relieve peptic ulcer. Citric acid acts as protection against bacterial poisoning. Tapos, doon sa carrots naman po is promotes healthy skin and eye function. Vitamin A. Helps prevent heart disease and stroke. Vitamin A. Good for the liver because it reduces fat. Vitamin A. Helps prevent blood clotting. Vitamin K. Keeps gums healthy. Vitamin C. Lowers the risk for bladder, prostate, colon, and breast cancers. Carotenoids. Keeps skin moisturized. Potassium. Helps prevent acne. Essential oils. Provides youthful glow. Beta-carotene. Ayun. So, yun po ang health benefits po ni rejuvenating drink. So guys, kung gusto niyo po maging healthy, ma-rejuvenate po yung katawan ninyo po, just make a rejuvenating drink using juicer. Thank you for watching.